Bullish Chilliz CHZ cost forecast range somewhere in the range of $25.13.833 and $29.75 by 2030. Market experts accept CHZ could reach $399.648 by 2025. Negative Chilliz market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.91348. Chilliz CHZ presentation. Chilliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered an exclusive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to drive its fan commitment stage, Socios.com. Chilliz has organizations with probably the greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the organizer and president of Chilliz. He has north of 20 years of involvement establishing and developing electronic organizations. Before sending off Chilliz, he established WebCity, an intelligent travel guide, and Winamax and Chillapoker, both web-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business visionary who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to upset the conventional games industry. Since its send-off, Socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage fueled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a portable application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy select product and encounters from their number one clubs through Socios.com's web-based business store. What is Chilliz CHZ? The Chilliz stage was made fully intent on furnishing fans with a better approach to drawing with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers compensations for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is at present utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to take part in the administration of their number one group. It additionally offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chilliz CHZ Basic Investigation. Chilliz is a digital money zeroed in on fan commitment in the games and media outlet. The organization behind Chilliz is Socios.com, a stage that permits sports and diversion associations to tokenize their fan bases. This empowers them to send off fan token contributions FTOS, which are crowdfunding occasions that offer fans the chance to purchase tokens that address their #1 group or association. The Socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chilliz coin CHZ to make secure, straightforward, and permanent exchanges. The utilization of blockchain additionally considers quick and effective installments between parties. Exchanges on the Socios.com stage are fueled by the CHZ token. The worth of the Chilliz coin CHZ is gotten from its utility of the exchange on the Socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the Socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Likewise, as additional individuals utilize the Socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it simpler to change over into cash. Using the overall strength file RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness MACD from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Chilliz CHZ to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Chilliz is as of now worth $114.4. CHZ has moved some 59% as of now with an exchanging volume of $73 to 26,475. Chilliz is at present position 74 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $114.6968. Chilliz CHZ Value Expectation 2023. Chilliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year's CHZ. The CHZ cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $171,604. Similarly, as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $161.64 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of $130.7283. Chilliz CHZ Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Chilliz CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform $86,007. 86,007. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the CHZ's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $228,805 and a typical exchanging cost of $250,686. Chilliz CHZ value forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $4,409 and CHZ might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $66,088 and a low of $0.43208 in 2025. Chilliz CHZ value forecast 2026. In the event that Chilliz effectively supports market feeling among digital money devotees, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.5 of $14,812, with a base cost of $0.4 to $57,611 and a typical cost of $0.4 to $80,491. Chilliz CHZ value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5,948.94 by 2027, with a base cost of $5 at 70,2013 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, CHZ has a greatest value worth of $629 in 215. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $709 in 296. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $743,617. Neglecting to accumulate the help CHZ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $686,416. Chilliz CHZ value forecast 2029. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $8 to $19 and a yearly cost close above $18.50-$80.20 in 2029. Chilliz CHZ value forecast 2030. By 2030, Chilliz will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $915,221 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $970.24 23